Hi there, I'm here at the Indian River Lagoon. Yep, this is it. Just kidding. The Indian River Lagoon actually stretches across 40% of Florida's east coast. It spans across 5 different counties and is the most biodiverse estuary in the country. However, in recent years, the increased input of pollution has compromised the quality of the water and has caused an increase in algal blooms and the death of much of its wildlife. Fortunately enough, many projects have been implemented to restore the lagoon. One project frequently in the news today is the Oyster Restoration Project, in which the Brevard Zoo teamed up with Brevard County and the University of Central Florida to restore the oyster beds here in the lagoon. But why the oyster beds? Well, oysters here are a keystone species, meaning that they provide necessary habitat and food for other species in order for them to survive. Now, oysters are also gregarious species, meaning that they provide natural reefs, which helps prevent shoreline erosion. Probably most important, though, is that oysters are filter feeders. An adult oyster can filter up to 5 gallons of water in a day. Now, they filter through the organic matter, like the muck and the algae that cloud the surface of the water, and they improve clarity and allow sunlight to penetrate the water's surface, which gives rise to seagrass beds. Now, seagrass beds are also a keystone species, so they provide a 3D habitat for much of the species here in the lagoon. Scientists actually measure the quality of water based on the number of seagrass beds in an area. But to increase the number of seagrass beds, we first need to clear the water. So in 2009, the Oyster Restoration Project was implemented, and they started creating these oyster reefs by introducing these oyster mats, which is a grid-like pattern of oysters that create a habitat for free-swimming oyster larvae. Now, since 2009, they have introduced over 42,000 oyster mats into the lagoon, which has created 68 oyster reefs. Now, Phase 2 just took place this month, on April 3rd. They introduced 60,000 live oysters into the lagoon. They have the capability of filtering 3 million gallons of water. Researchers hope that this will help restore the biodiversity of the lagoon here. Now, thank you for watching. If you have any more interest in the lagoon, the oyster beds, or how to help, please visit www.brevardoystergardens.org.